Globe Prepaid Senior Director, Ms. Jiv Florida. Hello, good morning. So, built around you is all about innovations that will make your daily lives easier. So at Globe, we want to make sure that we understand how people live, and then we build innovations around it. So because for us, technology isn't just supposed to be intelligent. It's supposed to make your everyday tasks easier without demanding extra effort from you. So whether it's like sending a prepaid load with fewer taps or getting instant assistance without waiting, these innovations are designed not to stand out, but to quietly make your life experiences better. So the first built around you innovation that I'm excited to talk to you about today is something that is built to simplify, to support, and serve with empathy. And this is called GoGive. So GoGive turns everyday mobile data use into purposeful impact. So imagine whenever you are streaming, you're gaming, you're scrolling through your social media, or even video calling with your loved ones, those regular online habits can now support causes like education, climate action, mental health, and even disaster relief. So by reimagining how we use mobile data, GoGive is actually able to empower Globe Prepaid customers to make a difference and contribute to advocacies that they care about without extra cost, extra effort, and even without any disruption to their daily routine. So it's a seamless blend of purpose and habit. So GoGive was actually launched last May, but its impact is already significantly felt by our partners. So let's all listen to their messages.
Hello, we're from PAWS, the Philippine Animal Welfare Society, and we're dedicated to speaking up for animals because animals can't speak for themselves. So we would like to thank GoGive for making us connected. When we go out, we do kapon outreach, and when we do disaster relief, it's very important for people to know our work so that we also get support and donations. And for this, GoGive has been big. They're a tremendous help to the animal welfare movement, especially to our work. So we'd like to thank everyone who donated GoGive, and we hope you'll continue to support our animals.
Hi everyone, we're from the Philippine Eagle Foundation. We're here now in Leyte, home of our reintroduction program for rescue eagles. First of all, I'd like to thank Globe for their partnership. Your help through GoGives enables us to restore forests in partnership with communities in the uplands. This enables us to provide homes for the eagles, restore forests, and provide jobs for many marginal income families. Again, thank you for your partnership. Bye.
Greetings! On behalf of PGH Medical Foundation Inc., I would like to express our gratitude for the support you have been extending to PGH MFI through GoGives project. I would like to reassure you that the donations you have made are going to be used by the healthcare workers of Mercatech. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Monica and I'm the Deputy Executive Director of Project Pearls. Project Pearls is a non-profit organization that aims to help children, youth, and families break the cycle of poverty through our programs on education, healthcare, nutrition, and women empowerment. By supporting Globe's GoGive campaign, we will be able to support the education of more children and youth, serve them nutritious meals, and provide digital training for women in the communities we serve. Thank you very much, Globe, and to everyone for supporting Project Pearls.
World Vision is a global Christian humanitarian NGO devoted to improving the lives of Filipino children, their families, and their community. Your support to Globe's GoGive campaign will go to children's education and child protection programs of World Vision. Thank you for your support. Your generosity is making a lasting difference in the lives of Filipino children in need.
So I want to invite everyone here today to give back through GoGive, which you can all access via the Globe One app, so that you can help create more sustainable and meaningful future for all. Thank you so much.